Arts and Crafts with Anna. Today I thought I'd step into this room. I believe it's called the kitchen. I don't spend a lot of time in this room. Usually I'm in my craft room or in the living room. But today I thought I'd step in here and try one of these microwavable mug treats that I got for Christmas. This one is a chocolate cake mix. Comes with the mix and the topping. So I'm going to try this out today. The directions seem pretty easy. You empty the cake mix into a microwavable 9 to 12 ounce mug. This is my Wizard of Oz mug. It is microwave safe, so I'm going to use that. It also says to add 3 tablespoons of water or milk. I'm going to use milk. Brother, if you're watching, I don't know what happened. I just happened to have a plastic container with milk in my refrigerator, so I'm going to use that today. It also says to microwave uncovered on high for about, I have an 800 watt microwave oven. So I think the higher the watt, the less time maybe. So I'm gonna go somewhere between maybe 1 minute 10 seconds, 1 minute 15 seconds. But it also says to microwave it until the surface is mostly dry, and if necessary you can microwave it for 10 seconds longer. Mix it all together and then put it in the microwave, and so let's see how this goes. All right, okay, I think I'm done mixing. I tried to make it as level as I could. Doesn't say anything about that, but let's do this. Put it in the microwave for about 1 minute 10 seconds. Wow, it smells really good. It smells like my oven is on. Well, it sounds like it's done. Let's check it out. Take it out of the microwave by the handle because the instructions said so. Or, I don't know. What do you think? Does that look done to you? Looks done to me. All right, so now we're going to put the topping on. All right, so we're going to put the topping on. It says to let it stand for 2 minutes. Oh no, kind of scared. I don't know what it looks like inside that cake. Looks yummy. Should I have done something first to make sure it's done? I don't know. But we're gonna let it sit for 2 minutes. So it can finish cooking. Got my little ladybug timer. Let it sit there for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll put all my stuff away. Oh wow, my timer rang very quietly. Huh. Anyway, that has been 2 minutes. And now it's time to try this. Get some chocolate frosting in there. Looks done, huh? Mmm, yum. That's pretty good. You know, when I was mixing this, there was some lumps in there and I thought, oh my gosh, I can't get this these lumps out of this batter, but then I realized they were little chocolate chips. So this is really good. If you haven't tried it, it is really easy. You saw me. If I can do it, you can do it. Happy birthday. You know who. Love you lots. All right, everybody. See you in my craft room. Bye.